Hey, Rosae. Hey, Rosae. Huh? Hey, Rosae. Hey, Rosae. Said what? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hae Rosae. I got a lipstick on tape. My name is Hae Rosae. Yeah, you're here for this look, aren't you? If you're not, then why? What are you doing? I'm very low energy right now because I don't feel very good. Kind of having a lot of chest pains right now, hard to breathe. So yeah, you're gonna see me kind of sigh a lot probably. Maybe like, like that. So if you do, just like disregard it. I'm fine. Just got a few medical problems. So yeah. Let's just go ahead and get started into this video. So to get started today, I'm taking the Morphe Dare to Create palette. I'm gonna take this shade right here, and then use that as my transition. And the reason my eyes look kind of like red and irritated is because I used the red in this palette. I just filmed another video. It stained the crap out of my eyes. Just real quick, I wanted to mention how much I truly hated this palette. As you can see, it's not blending very well. It was blending so badly that I had to take it off, and you can see me realizing that I hated it. So I continued to use it throughout this video, but I did not enjoy it at all. I really wanted to try and make this work, but it just was not working. I filmed a video before this that I had to take off and retry again because it was not blending. So yeah, unfortunately I would not suggest to buy this palette, which is such a shame because it's the most interesting palette that they have come out with since the Morphe 35B palette. So yeah, I am so sorry to anyone who likes this palette. I just do not like it at all. So now I'm going to cut my crease real quick with just some concealer. Alright, so now I'm taking my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, taking this yellow shade that is almost gone. Why are my eyes burning? Holy crap. Yeah, I'm taking this yellow shade and just setting that concealer. Alright, so now I'm just going to take a blending brush and blend the brown into the yellow. Okay, so I'm going to be keeping with the yellow theme. I'm going into the Fenty Beauty highlight. I like to spray some spray on it just to make it a little more pigmented. So now I'm going to add the same highlight into the inner corner and my brow bone. So now I'm going to do some winged liner before I go in with the glitter. This is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I'm so sorry if I seem really low energy right now. I just lost it all out of nowhere. It's my second video today. My chest hurts. It's hard to breathe. I'm trying to get through this video, so stick with me, please. So for eyeliner, what I like to do is, I know I had someone asking me how I do my eyeliner. So start with the inner corner and lay it flat. And just kind of fill in a line right there at the line, at the line. And then I kind of flick it out right here. Just like that. And then I don't go all the way to the tip. I just bring it all the way straight. And we're good. So I'll do the other side. Going in with the NYX glitter glue, just gonna put some on my hand. Sculpt out where I have the yellow. Pouring out some yellow glitter, and I'm just gonna pat that right on top of the glitter glue. I do suggest using glitter glue for glitter because it always works better. For the last step, I'm gonna line my lips with a brown lip liner real quick. So this is the Amore Matte Lip Cream by Milani in the shade Covet. Very pretty shade. I love it. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love this look. I think it's very beautiful. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give me a big old thumbs up. I would love that. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.